Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you love cozy fireplaces but hate the mess that comes with cleaning up ash, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best fireplace vacuums, each chosen for their suction power, heat resistance, build quality, and ease of maintenance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. VANPORE 1200 Watt Fireplace Vacuum. First up is the VANPORE 1200 Watt Fireplace Vacuum, a machine that really brings together power, versatility, and convenience to make ash cleanup a breeze. Its heart is a robust 1200W pure copper motor that delivers serious suction power, easily pulling up both warm and cool ashes, which saves you so much time compared to the old shovel and broom method. You get a spacious 5.2-gallon capacity, and the heat-resistant metal-reinforced hose keeps ash flowing smoothly without any clogs. A key feature is the patented HEPA filter system that traps those superfine particles, protecting your lungs from dust. It's also a 2-in-1 tool. Just connect the hose to the air outlet, and it turns into a handy blower for clearing outdoor debris. Moving it around is simple with its wheeled base, a lengthy 157-inch power cord, and hose attachments that help you get into tight corners and across flat surfaces. Whether it's your fireplace, pellet stove, fire pit, or BBQ grill, this vacuum handles the job. Number 2. STANLEY HP Fireplace Vacuum. The STANLEY HP Fireplace Vacuum is built for high-performance cleaning, both inside your home and out. It's driven by a powerful 4-peak HP motor that provides strong suction, making short work of cold ashes and fine fire dust from fireplaces, wood stoves, and BBQ grills. The 4-gallon metal tank is compact but tough, and with a heat-resistant aluminum wand, a metal hose, and a full 12 feet of cleaning reach, it's both safe and versatile for a variety of jobs. Its dual filtration system, using a cartridge filter and a pre-filter, is a star feature, protecting the motor from dust while capturing fine ash to ensure cleaner air comes out and the vacuum lasts longer. The filters are washable, reusable, and replaceable, which adds convenience and saves you money over time. A waterproof on-off switch adds an extra layer of safety and makes operation effortless. Its portable design means it's easy to store and move around without giving up any performance, making it great for both professional and home use. Whether you're maintaining a cozy fireplace or a larger stove setup. Number 3. VANPORE 5.2-gallon Fireplace Vacuum. Another strong contender from VANPORE, this 5.2-gallon model offers a powerful and very practical solution for whisking away ashes and debris. Its 1200W motor delivers strong suction that handles everything from fine powder to coarse ash, making it ideal for fireplaces, stoves, and braziers. The vacuum uses a sturdy 20-liter aluminum collection container that holds a significant amount of ash while remaining durable and stable. An upgraded dual filter system is at work here, combining a HEPA fine filter with a bag filter to capture even the tiniest particles, which prevents clogs and keeps the motor running smoothly. The HEPA filter is washable and reusable, giving you long-term performance and lower maintenance costs. Like its sibling, this model also doubles as a blower when you attach the hose to the outlet, giving you extra utility for clearing leaves or debris from your patio. It rolls easily on 3 swivel wheels and has a carrying handle for simple movement and storage. Number 4. GoCampDirect 800-Watt Fireplace Vacuum. The GoCampDirect 800-Watt Fireplace Vacuum is compact yet powerful, designed for quick, safe ash removal from fireplaces, pellet stoves, fire pits, and grills. Its 800W motor delivers plenty of suction for hassle-free cleaning. The heat-resistant hose and durable 10-liter canister ensure reliable performance and longevity. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits into tight spaces, while the 31.4-inch hose and 59-inch power cord give you good reach. This model is for cold ash only, providing a safe and effective solution. GoCampDirect designed it for multifunctional use, perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleanup. It stores away neatly and is simple to switch between modes.
With its sturdy construction, efficient performance, and user-friendly design, it's an excellent pick for anyone wanting a no-fuss ash vacuum. From fireplace maintenance to post-BBQ cleanup, the GoCampDirect makes cleanup simple and your surroundings ash-free.
Number 5. APEXPOWER 20V Fireplace Vacuum. Rounding out our list is the APEXPOWER 20V Fireplace Vacuum, which brings cordless convenience to ash cleanup. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, this vacuum frees you from cords while providing strong power for fireplaces, stoves, and fire pits. It features a 4-gallon metal tank that holds plenty of ash and wood dust, and its heat-resistant construction ensures long service life. A standout feature is the dual 2025 HEPA filter system, washable, replaceable, and reusable. The clever design lets one filter work while you clean the other, so performance never drops. This setup traps fine ash, protects the motor, and keeps exhaust air clean. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and store. Perfect for home or light industrial use, the APEXPOWER 20V blends powerful suction, durable build, and innovative filtration into one practical, cordless solution for a clean, stress-free hearth. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best fireplace vacuums. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on home tools, gadgets, and cleaning essentials. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.